Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury Platinum, featured in Crystal White Tricoat with a Whisper Beige interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated Edmonton front seats, heated steering wheel, Super Cruise, power sunroof, power liftgate, surround vision, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have powered windows as well as powered mirrors, memory seating. Down at the bottom, AKG speakers with some storage and cup holder space. Taking a look at the seats here, you'll find speakers in the headrest. And down to the bottom left, the power seating, power lumbar, as well as massaging seats. Popping inside. Just to the left, you'll find the optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, as well as adjustable suspension. AKG speaker just on the left there. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, you'll find the Super Cruise, as you can see along the top, as well as the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. And to the right are audio and Bluetooth controls, or cluster controls, sorry. Here is the cluster. And just to the right, we have the infotainment screen. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera with the surround vision. Just below that, we have the command center. From here, we can adjust a ton of things, including the heated and vented seats, steering wheel. We can, of course, do the massaging as well as adjust the position of the seats. Also have the climate controls here, airflow, and we can also manually open the doors from here. Here we have the controls for the infotainment screen, wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders, and the center console here. Popping that open. It is a cooling center console, so you can throw drinks in here, keep them cool in the summer. As you can see, all you gotta do is push that. Different options. Up top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, as well as the power liftgate controls and power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Still have accentuate privacy tint on the rear windows, making our way to the back. Of course, we have the Cadillac badging. This way, just to the bottom left there, and we can open it up by either pressing on the badge or just double clicking. We have a ton of storage space back here. AKG speakers on this side. You can drop these rear seats, maybe more, using the power control just to the right. Outlet. And not to mention, we also have hidden storage down below. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, a couple are down below, rear AKG speaker, and here are the seats. And we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear climate controls. Just below that, push out the cup holders, and down at the bottom you'll find 2 USB-C plugins, 2 HDMIs, and 3-prong outlet. Those HDMIs connect to the rear entertainment screens mounted on the back of each seat. Up at the top, rear vents, dome light, as well as a speaker matched on the other side. And in the third row of seating here, we have dome lights in the middle, and that's on the other side as well. We also have a cup holder with a USB-C on the other side. And here are the seats. You get a great view of the power sunroof. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury Platinum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We will see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.